Hello everyone, my name is Isaac and today I'm going to share with you two different topics from two different subjects. The two different subjects will be science and SST. We'll begin with the SST. And in SST, the topic we are going to talk about is budget. First, we need to know what is budget. A budget is an estimate of income and expenditure. We need to know the types of budget, and those include the surplus budget, the deficit budget, and the balanced budget. What do we understand by the term surplus budget? Surplus budget stands for the type of budget where the income is greater than the expenditure. Then why are we advised to use a surplus budget? Like when you are beginning a new business. The surplus budget helps you to plan for your future because you bring in more income more than the expenditure you take out. We move on to the deficit budget. What do you understand by the term deficit budget? Deficit budget is a type of budget where the income is less than the expenditure. Why is it not advisable to begin a business with the deficit budget? It's simple. The answer to that question is the deficit budget brings out more expenditure than the income, which puts your business with less chances of getting promoted, because when your expenditure is greater than your income, when you take out the expenditure, it's more than the income you bring in, which means you don't get any richer, but you get poorer. Then we move on to the balanced budget. What do you understand by the term balanced budget? A balanced budget is the type of budget where the income is equal to the expenditure. This type of budget is not very good, but it's still not very bad, because this type of budget, you bring in the same income as the expenditure you take out, which makes it difficult for your business to get higher equity. So you need to understand why we use the surplus budget more than the rest of the two budgets. Then that's all from the budget topic. Let's move on to science. The topic we are going to get from science is soil. First, we need to know what is soil. Soil is the top layer that covers the Earth's surface. This soil has very many types. Let's take one type, which is the best for growing crops: loam soil. This loam soil also needs a few benefits to make those plants grow. One of the basics is to add in fertilizers. We need to know the types of fertilizers. There are only two types of fertilizers: the natural fertilizers and the artificial fertilizers. Let's first look at the artificial fertilizers. In these, we have the examples of the artificial fertilizers. We have the SSP, which is single super phosphate or super single phosphate. You can use any of those two. Then we go to the NPK, the nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. Then we go to the CAN, which is calcium ammonium nitrate. Now we'll look at the advantages of using artificial fertilizers. Artificial fertilizers do not require a lot of time. Then we'll move on to the disadvantages of artificial fertilizers, and those include it's poisonous to some plants, to some soil. It's poisonous to the soil structure. It requires skilled labor and many more. Then we'll move on to the natural fertilizers, which include green manure and farmyard manure. we'll go on to the advantages of natural fertilizers, and those include: natural fertilizers do not require skilled labor. Natural fertilizers are not poisonous to the soil nutrients. Thank you for watching TIG Kids Network Africa. My name is Isaac. Bye.